The Complete Wok Kit. Our wok pan comes with everything you need to cook authentic Asian and modern dishes. Each pack comes with an AEW-306 wok, high-dome tempered glass lid, extra-long chopsticks to help you cook along with a steaming rack and a tempura rack. Power consumption. 120 volts 60 Hz 1500W. Large size quick heat up. This large 5-quart capacity wok gives you all the space you need to make anything you have in mind. It's made to handle high temperatures, heat up rapidly and maintain the heat so you can make cooking delicious meals faster and easier. Durable nonstick. Our stir-fry pan is made using durable and heavy-duty cast aluminum that can handle daily use in the long run, which coupled with the nonstick coating provides you with a simple way to cook even the messiest of dishes without worrying about lengthy cleanups. Cook like a pro. The wok with lid is designed with a temperature probe that allows you to maintain a consistent temperature for even cooking. The lid is designed with a steam vent that allows you to control the moisture when cooking or steaming, giving you the freedom to make stir-fry, soups, fajitas, fried tempura, and much more. Easy to handle clean. The cool touch base and handles make it easier and safer to use the wok while keeping you in control. The entire wok can easily be disassembled and detached from the base to be cleaned in the dishwasher or hand-washed in the sink. Top reviews from the United States. How to wash below. This is a fantastic wok, but I will never put soap in it. I hand wash every time. Instead, when I am done, I turn it on, add water and cook to sterilize. Then pour the water out, add olive oil to coat, then put it away. I never allow my husband to wash it either because I want it to last forever. Of course, I only use utensils for Teflon. If you want this to last, consider doing what I do. This wok was $60 and I want it to last.